Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach Farsi. My favorite song in Farsi is called One Way Road, and I like to start teaching that song. The song starts with one statement or one sentence. It says باز دوباره با نگاهت, and I like to teach how that's written in Farsi. So as you can see, B-A-Z, baz, in Farsi means again, and that's how the alphabet for baz is equivalent in Farsi. This is letter B, this is A, this is Z. In Farsi, they write from right to left. And here, the thing that I write in here is not a word in Farsi because I just put 3 Farsi alphabets without even attaching them together. So it doesn't mean anything if you write it like this. So I'm going to write it. So you start from right to left. So it's completely opposite direction from English. So this is B, this is A, and this is Z. In Farsi, you have to attach different alphabets together if possible, if it looks nice. So they're going to attach B, and in order to attach letter B to A, they have to write it like this. So the tiny wall that's in here, they actually eliminate that to attach something to it. So they attach A to B, and when they attach it, they just get rid of this shape on top of alphabet A or A. In Arabic, they may not get rid of it, but in Farsi, they don't want it, so they get rid of it. And then letter Z. Here, you can't attach letter Z to A, because if you do, it's gonna look very strange. So they just leave it as is. So this is baz, B-A-Z, and that means again. Baz dobare, dobare means for the second time. Dobare. Dobar, that means for the second time. And when they attach A at the end of it, when they say dobare, in my translation, it's some kind of annoyance or some kind of a stress that it happened again. So it's not for the second time in this sequence, it's for the second time in a sequence that keeps repeating itself. Baz dobare, or maybe there are other translation, but to me it just sounds like this. Dobare is written as is. This is D. So when they want to write D in Farsi, they write it like this. It comes from here down and here. It's like an open and then O is like this, B is this, and you see I attached B and A together again. That's how they attach it. And this is R, and this is H. So I have them separately. D, O, B, A, it should be, and R. So when they want to attach D, O, B, A, R, A together, so you see B and H again, so they just attach these two. They eliminate this tiny wall or tiny curve, and they just attach A like so. دوباره. And you don't need lots of space here because now it's one unit. So you have to bring it a little bit together because it's one word. Doesn't have to take lots of space. دوباره. That means for the second time with some stress and annoyance. And here the rest of the sentence باز دوباره با the stress is on letter B, so they don't say ba, they say ba. Again, ba, that means with. And alphabet for the Persian alphabet is B, equivalent to letter B in English, and A, which is this form, and that's equivalent to A in English, in my translation at least. And when you attach B and A together, it always has to look like this, ba, and that means with. نگاهت, that's how it's written in English, but you don't understand these English alphabet together to come to any meaning. So I translate this. نگاهت means your glance. نگاه means glance. When they attach et at the end of it, that means your glance. It belongs to you. So if it wanted to say my glance, it would have said نگاه هم. But it's saying your glance, نگاهت. So the Persian alphabet for نگاهت, that's how they are, but next to each other, letter N, letter G, A, H, and T. If you write them like this, they don't mean anything because you didn't attach them together. It's just doesn't make any sense in Farsi. So you have to attach it. You see, this is the way they write N. It's like a loop and they put a circle in the middle of it. Now in order for you to attach this shape to this one, you have to change this to another form. And the only form they attach two letters together in Farsi, it's similar to the way you attached B to A. You see, it has to have a straight line and it shouldn't come to any curve at the end of it. So it should be just ready like this to attach to something else, like basic physics, I suppose. So you have to change this letter N, and when you change this, it will be like this. You see how different it looks now? This is like a loop, but now it's like pointed straight line that you just makes it like this in order for this letter to get attached to this letter. This is called in English G, but you see G can sound like G as well, like when you say Google. So that's how it's written.